Hi my country people, how una dey? Today we dey celebrate our mama, our grandmama, our great-grandmama, our great-great-grandmama, Mama Josephine Oyesanya-Diya ní Adenuga. Since dem born me, I never take my eyes count 5 people wey reach 100 years. Mama Josephine Oyesanya-Diya na one of the luckiest people wey God give the grace to celebrate 100 years, wey Oyinbo grammatical dey call centenary celebration. Dem born Mama Josephine Oyesanya-Diya for Okejagun quarters for Ishanyi-Ijebu, Ogun State, Nigeria on 23rd of November 1922. Her papa na Prince Joshua Oke Adenuga aka Alábùkúnni fún àwọn Onílàjà of blessed memory, and her mama na Madam Susanna Yorade Adenuga of blessed memory too. Her papa Prince Joshua go school as im sabi read and write well, but die a year after she do wedding for 1947. Her mama na the daughter of High Chief Banjoko wey be Baale of Itun-Olugbala quarters for Ishanyi-Ijebu, but she lose the mama when she be 3 years for 1925. Na dis condition come make am go live with her aunty Mrs. Olufunmilayo Bangboye of blessed memory for Osogbo. She come back to Ishanyi-Ijebu for 1933 before she follow her cousin late Mrs. Mary Adenike Onosanya wey just marry dat time go Moleye Street for Yaba, Lagos. Na there she meet her first husband, Mr. Joseph Nehemiah Oyewole Oyesanya of blessed memory, wey be Prince of Ilese-Ijebu. Dem say I do for November 16, 1946, and the gumbodi produce 2 pikin. Mama and papa wey born Mama Olufunke Oyesanya-Diya na devoted Christian. E no dey surprise say she follow her parents step as she remain active member for Anglican Holy Communion up till today. Upon say mama no get formal education, she by herself sabi how to read and write for English and Yoruba well. She also sabi speak Igbo and Hausa like tomorrow no dey, even sabi small Efik Ibibio for Akwa Ibom, Cross River State. Mama sabi all dis language because of the buying and selling business wey she dey do for local market, one of the big market for Lagos dat time, wey dey near railway headquarters for Yaba. Railway workers dey patronize am wella. Na there she meet her second husband wey be chief supervisor operations for Nigerian Railway Loco, after devil put sansan for im and im first husband garri for 1965. She and her second husband, Mr. Michael Oyetola Diya of blessed memory, marry for November 1965. Na later Michael Oyetola become High Chief as the Olugbon of Odogbon quarters, Agada, Odogbolu, Ijebu between 1978 and 1983. Chief Michael Oyetola Diya na the papa of late retired General Oladipo Diya. Month of November don become special month for Mama Olufunke Oyesanya-Diya life as dem born am for November. She marry first husband for November, second husband for November, come still born her first pikin for November. Mama dey popular with different names like Mama Ilese, Mama Ijebu, Mama Afagba and so on. As e be now, Mama Olufunke take her womb born 4 pikin. Dem be Dr. Olusoji Oyebadewa Oyesanya, Wisconsin, USA. Mr. Oluranti Oyewole Oyesanya, a retired director of Lagos State Ministry of Education. Mr. Taiwo Oyewale Diya, a director at Lagos State Civil Service Commission, and Barrister Kehinde Oyetunde Diya, a legal practitioner. Mama get many other children wey she care for from another woman belle. Mama Josephine na tireless organizer, a pillar to her family wey also dey dedicated to the development of mankind. The centenary celebration of Mama Olufunke start with Holy Communion service before a grand entry into the beautiful hall of Sheba Event Center, with many guests wey dress in white and gold. A live band dey ground gidigba to entertain the guests wey come from both Nigeria and abroad. Very important personality from both Oyesanya and Diya family sit down with Mama for high table as the traditional dancers entertain with poetry and genre. Another bang of the event na the cutting of the beautiful birthday cake wey get design of 4 caps to represent Mama's 4 boy pikin, with the count in 10s to 100 for the centenarian of the moment. We at Gbemi Naija Gist also follow to wish Mama Josephine Ibidunni Oyesanya-Diya happy centenary celebration. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.